Many capable people notice that when they answer simple questions at work, they use more words than they intended. Not because they don't understand their work. Often, it's simply a habit. They describe what happened. They explain the sequence. They start at the beginning. This works well in everyday conversation. But at work, people are usually listening for something different. They're trying to understand where things are, what it means, and what happens next. That's a summarising skill. And most people were never explicitly taught how to do it. For example, if someone asks about a piece of work you're involved in, it's natural to begin with background. A steadier response starts closer to the present. You might say, right now, the work is progressing as planned. We're moving into the next stage this week. The main thing we're watching is response timing from one team. This gives enough orientation for the other person to understand the situation. If they want more detail, they can ask. Another example. The draft is complete and has been shared for feedback. We'll consolidate input early next week. The key uncertainty is whether we receive multiple versions of comments. You're not removing the story. You're just not starting with it. Another way to think about this is professional courtesy. When someone asks a question at work, they're usually trying to orient themselves quickly. A concise response helps them decide what they need next. It also leaves space for a real conversation. Some people try to secure attention by using more time. But this can create the wrong signal. Over time, calm summarising tends to attract more constructive engagement. If you'd like to practice this now, here's a simple way to start. Think of one real piece of work you're involved in. Then say out loud where it is now, what happens next, what needs attention. Keep it to 2 or 3 sentences. Once you're ready, you can pause the video and try it. When you return, we'll look at one more example. If someone asks, how's that going? You might begin with a summary. It's moving in the right direction. We've resolved the main issue and are finalising details this week. The remaining uncertainty is timing. These moments may seem small, but they accumulate. Each time you respond with clarity, you make it easier for others to rely on your thinking. And that's something you can train. Train like it matters, because it does.